Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's world, and it is Friday, TGIF. Finally, right? So what do you got planned? What are you gonna do? Are you partying? Are you relaxing? Are you hanging out with family and friends? Hit me in the comment section below and let me know. Today is the last day of the Watch Face freebie day. And with that being said, let's go ahead and let's kick it off. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and today we got some unique watch faces to review for you. So sit back and relax, and we're gonna start off with number one, which is called Blue Mystique. Now, in always on mode, you're gonna get the same look. It's just gonna be dimmed down. You're even gonna pretty much see the same color. But this is it. It's going to give you the date, the month. It's going to also give you the day of the week. And it's got a little small analog clock dead center with a sweeping second hand. It's not a bad look. It's unique. It's something different. This one here you can use on a casual day. And it looks pretty good. It's not a bad looking watch face considering that it's free. And you can change a little bit of the theme with this color. And you get 6 in all. And that's why it's called Blue Mystique 6-in-1. All right, you all, let's go ahead. Let's check out watch face number 2. Watch face number 2. Now, number 2 is nice, right? Very different. We went deep for this one. Now, this one is called Mystique Crystal. Not a bad look at all. And always on mode. You get your digital time. You can also see what you're going to be in for once you cut the watch face on as well. So let's go ahead. Let's do that. Let's cut the watch face on. Right now, this is the way it looks. I'm liking this look. Very different. I didn't expect this when I downloaded it, but I'm liking the animation that's going on right there where it's pouring. I guess this is a Mystique juice into a glass. Up at the top, you're going to get your info on your miles walked, calories burned as well. You come down, you got your digital time, you got your settings, and it is interactive. So if you need to go off into settings, you can tap on it and go into it. I thought this was a nice, colorful look. Down at the bottom, you got your heart rate information and or your steps, and you got your music player. You can't go nowhere without your music player. This watch face is off the chain. I'm loving it. You got to hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you would download this free watch face. With that being said, let's check out watch face number 3. Last but not least, watch face number 3. Now, the name of this one is called Sharingan. And yes, I dug deep to bring you nothing but the very best and unique watch faces to end the week with. Now, in always on mode, I'm telling you, they give you a simple, and I do mean simple, digital time. But you're still able to see and tell time at a glance, which is most important. But when the watch face is on, I'm telling you, very unique. I like the way the developer stepped outside of the box with this one. I like the creativity in the design, and I like what's going on around the bezel of the watch. It's white and red, really brings out the theme a lot more. And it's an analog watch face. It has a sweeping hand. And what I thought was unique, you can change the theme of this watch face. I thought this might have been something that you all may like, and I thought it was very unique for a watch face, and it is free in the Gear Manager store. All right, you all, I dug deep for this one. Hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on the lineup to end the week with. I hope you enjoyed it. Now, it is the weekend. I hope you all have the greatest weekend ever. Have fun, enjoy, and be safe. All right, you all, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the like button before you leave. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.